back or welcome to my channel. And I'm doing an Etsy shop share today and an Oohlala Vintage Treasures DT project. This journal is comprised 99% of her Ballet Dreams digital kit. I'll give y'all a look at the outside of this journal. I am absolutely in love with it. I actually tied the signatures in with sari silk. And that way more pages can be added, even though I don't see how you would, because when it's not tied shut it's about 6 inches wide. But you can certainly add more pages if you want, or subtract. I love, 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 love this journal, and I just put so much into it, heart, soul, and product. And I just love this little chandelier and jewelry heart dangle. I've got a ballerina here. She's wearing a lace dress flying behind her other dress. I've got a piece of doily, more lace hanging off, Ballet Dreams digital, music sheets, and it's a solid hard shell book with a ton of crackle, distressed crackle at that. So let's have a look. Oh, got a little dangle there, just so. Isn't that the cutest? It is tied together with the same sari silk that I tied the signatures in. And before I forget, we do have all the delicious laces and dangles down here, and on the side, of course. All right, you open it up, and the first page, I Cricut cut these ballerina shoes, painted them a pale pink, and they've got glamour dust on them. So I don't know if y'all can see this, excuse me, the sparkle, but it is blinging. Got some bow up here, two bows together, a little silk flower with pearls, and I made it into a little tuck space with the beautiful Ballet Dreams digitals, and the Ballet Dreams digitals back here. Look at those pages, just gorgeous. Some of this is also part of the Ballet Dreams physical kit. I used some of that in here as well. This applique I made into a tuck, and I don't even know what to call this. You know what I call it? It's not a journal card, it's not a tag, it's a pretty. A bunch of collaging with fabrics, laces, digitals, and it's a pretty. I hear my dog, one of them, up underneath my table. Has some paper. Even though it is loaded, there's still plenty of room to write. Oh, I love that image. Got a piece of applique hanging off there. I've got this lace coming out of it, and some digitals tucked in, and a tag that I made. What have you got? Where are you? Where are you? This is one of the signatures where it ties in. Okay. I glued down this really old book page and did some collaging, some tucking. I don't know if y'all can see the bling coming off those sequins, and I love that page. Love it, love it, love it. Give y'all a look of down here. Is this looking beautiful? And over here, this is actually an envelope. So I tucked some goodies into the side of this envelope. I thought that was just adorable. What is stopping that? There we go. Okay. Over here, I've made a little booklet, and Tammy of Embellish a Story inspired this kind of booklet, and more of those pretty images, some lace, some papers, more lace, more papers. I think that's just adorable. And up underneath that, as a surprise, I've got a little tuck space here that is sewn and crinkled, and a little bow with a button and a couple more images. And at the bottom, great. Go, going outside. At the bottom, some pearls. So pretty. I am babysitting my daughter's dogs, and I'm tired, y'all. I'm tired. Get in there. I've got my own dogs, which keep me busy, and she has 3. Over here, I've got a pocket made out of lace, and that's where that dangle is. And on top of the pocket, I've got this sewn heart, some pearls, roses, another heart, more dangles, little tuck space, and in the pocket, I've got tucked a tag. I apologize for all that barking, y'all. Over here, I've got an altered envelope that the envelope come in the physical Ballet Dreams kit. And I put in that digital, and I fussy cut this from the digitals. Made it a tab. Okay, I shut the door, so hopefully it'll be better. Around the envelope, I have some collaging, some ribbon, a cute little polka dotted bow with another piece of pretty sparkly bling crown. And this is some music notes lace I thought was just really appropriate for the theme of this journal. You know, ballet, Swan Lake, the Nutcracker. Those things come to mind when I think of ballet. Here I've got pockets that actually go through the signature, made of sewn together print pieces. And in this pocket, this way, I've got this little booklet made with various papers from the kit, topped with a really big piece of bling. And then on this page, keep having to look through my camera to make sure that y'all can see because I had to move my camera. Anyway, with this piece, this page, the side lined with that lace. And here's the other side of those pockets. And I've got in this tag. I think that is so pretty. And I've got in this heart and put the music on the back. So it's pretty from both sides. Those are just gorgeous. Over here, I've got a paper clip that I've added this applique. And I've got this envelope that I made from one of the digitals. And in there, I've got some goodies, some pretties. And let's see, let's put this back on. And here is a Tussie Mussy that I made with her digital kit and this cone from her physical kit. And all of these bow flowers you can remove. I thought they would just make beautiful bookmarks too. In fact, I did make one into a bookmark on a video that I'll put out soon on how I made these. That video will come after this one, so that'll be in a few days. But anyway, they're so adorable. I love these. And I love how that turned out, and that page behind it is just beautiful as well. Anyway, this is now currently in my Etsy shop. And look at that cute little butterfly. I love that. This is currently in my Etsy shop. And I thank y'all for watching, and we will talk again soon. Bye.